I spent way too much on these crochet hooks, probably more than I should have. So if these aren't amazing, I'm gonna be mad. So I got these Furls Streamline hooks, and these are the metal ones. Look at this. Why is this so much heavier than I expected? This is the 5mm. This is a beautiful rose color. Oh, wow. This is really heavy. And it does have a nice little grip on it. It's really smooth to the touch. Let's see what else we have here. I know I ordered 3. I don't even remember what all I ordered. Oh, look at this one. Oh, isn't that gorgeous? Now this one is a 6mm J hook. Now this one has more of a matte finish, and this is more of a shiny finish. And then I got a 6mm as well for this one. This is a lot heavier than I expected, especially compared to my clover hook. All right, this is the moment of truth. Let's see how it works up. Now this really is gliding smoothly. And it feels really comfortable in my hand. And as you can see here, it does have a really nice stitch formation. Now I'm going to try this with a matte finish. Oh, wow. The matte finish is even better than the shiny finish. Now, as you can see, it does give a nice stitch formation. The glide of this crochet hook is actually insane. So are these Furls metal streamlined crochet hooks worth it? I would definitely say yes. If you can afford to get some, I would definitely recommend it. I'll go ahead and put a link to them in the description box down below. You won't be disappointed because these really feel great in your hand. They're also absolutely gorgeous. I don't know which one I like better. I love these hooks and I think you will too. If you'd like to see more crochet product videos, make sure you check out the playlist right here and I'll see you in the next one.